I could not sleep, and I just saw your call here. Choose. There's the bathroom.
Yes, rich people, if you hadn't noticed, they like to show off.
I'm gonna head back.
Great chat with you.
It's a bed.
What's your name again?
Michaela.
Have a great night.
You too.
What's next for you? My next door. Yeah.
Mm.
I'm putting a serious self-made building.
Swimming pool view. Swimming pool view here.
Material genius to spiritual shines. Let's face it, isn't it? This is what I did. Shush, I did. Why don't you come spend a little bit of time with me? You know, do your research, find your character.
So, yes, it's July 17, the egg harvest day.
Be with you shortly.
Okay? Mm, you gotta transfer the money to pay on that 17, or you're the one who send it through their bank account of the clinic. I will send you their bank account so you can send it there, the payment of the 17th for the egg harvest. Because if you could, I know you will not be here on 17, so, and I cannot be wake up on that